Thinking of bangs? There are styles that flatter mature faces without aging them, but the wrong cut can instantly add years. So, how do you know which bangs work best for your face shape? In this video, I'll break down the most flattering bangs for women over 60, the curtain bangs, soft fringe, side swept, and even a long bob with bangs, plus how to keep them looking fresh with easy maintenance tips. By the end, you'll know exactly which style works for you. Let's start with one of the most popular and flattering choices, the iconic curtain bangs. Curtain bangs are one of the most flattering styles for mature women because they softly frame the face without feeling heavy. For anyone with a round or square face shape, this cut is especially helpful since the center part creates the illusion of length and balance. Instead of cutting straight across the forehead, curtain bangs sweep outward, which makes the features look open and lifted. It is a style that instantly feels gentle and fresh. One of the biggest advantages of curtain bangs is how forgiving they are as they grow out. They do not need constant trimming to stay in shape. Even as they get longer, they blend into the rest of the haircut naturally, which makes them low stress to maintain. This is a huge plus for women who prefer to keep salon visits less frequent. You can enjoy the look of bangs without the worry of them becoming unruly in just a couple of weeks. Curtain bangs are also wonderful for women with grey or thinning hair. They add movement and texture without highlighting changes in density. Instead of drawing attention to thinner areas, they help blend everything together and give the appearance of softness. For many women, this makes the style feel modern and flattering rather than too structured or severe. This type of bang works with different lengths too. Whether you prefer a shorter cut or a shoulder-length style, curtain bangs fit right in. They can soften a bob, balance a layered cut, or add dimension to longer hair. That flexibility makes them a go-to option for women who want something stylish yet easy. Another reason curtain bangs are such a favorite is that they never really go out of style. They are a classic that continues to feel current year after year. Choosing this type of bang gives you a look that is timeless, which means you can enjoy it for the long term without it feeling dated. For women over 50, that balance between classic and modern is exactly what makes curtain bangs such a flattering choice. Now, if you prefer something even softer and want the easiest kind of fringe to wear, the next option is the light and wispy soft fringe. A soft fringe is one of those styles that looks delicate but makes a big difference to your overall look. It gently frames the face without taking over, which is why it works so well for women who want a subtle change rather than a dramatic cut. This style is especially flattering on oval and heart-shaped faces because it softens angles and balances proportions. Instead of covering the forehead completely, it gives just enough framing to highlight the best features. The result is a gentle, natural look that feels easy to wear. What makes a soft fringe so appealing is how light and wispy it is. It does not sit on the forehead in a heavy line. Instead, it falls in soft pieces that move with your hair, keeping the overall style youthful and airy. For women who want to bring more attention to their eyes and cheekbones, this type of fringe does exactly that. The delicate strands create a frame that naturally draws the eye upward and outward, giving the face a softer glow. This style is also ideal for women with finer or thinning hair. Unlike blunt bangs, which require more thickness to look their best, a soft fringe can be achieved with very little hair. It blends seamlessly with the rest of your haircut, so it feels effortless and never forced. If your hair texture has changed over time, this style adapts well without requiring extra volume or weight to look good. Styling is simple too. You do not need complicated products or tools to make a soft fringe work. A quick brush through in the morning or a touch of lightweight spray can keep the strands in place. If you prefer a natural finish, you can even let it fall as it is. On busier days, this is the kind of style that still looks put together without requiring extra effort. Another advantage is how forgiving this style is with different hair lengths. A soft fringe pairs beautifully with a chin-length bob, a shoulder-length cut, or even longer styles. It has the flexibility to adapt, which means you can change your hairstyle later without needing to grow out your fringe completely. That versatility makes it a safe and smart choice for women who enjoy updating their look without making a big commitment. For many women over 50, the soft fringe also has an emotional benefit. It provides just enough coverage on the forehead to feel flattering, but not so much that it hides your face. It feels fresh and youthful while still looking age-appropriate. Many women describe it as a style that boosts confidence because it highlights their features without overwhelming them. But if you prefer something timeless and polished that works for almost every face shape, side-swept bangs are the next style to consider. Side-swept bangs are a favorite because they suit almost everyone. They gently fall to the side, which makes them forgiving and flattering for different face shapes. For women with wider foreheads, this style creates balance, while for those noticing fine lines around the eyes or forehead, it softens those areas without drawing too much attention to them. It gives just enough coverage while still feeling light and elegant. Another reason side-swept bangs work so well is that they are simple to style. With just a round brush or a quick blow dry, they settle into place without needing a lot of effort. This makes them practical for women who prefer hair that looks put together but does not take a long routine in the morning. They also grow out beautifully, so you don't have to rush to the salon every few weeks. The overall effect of side-swept bangs is polished yet natural. They add a touch of softness and movement, which makes the hairstyle look intentional but not overdone. It is the kind of bang that blends seamlessly into everyday life while still giving your look that little lift. If you are ready to take things further and combine bangs with a cut that feels fresh and modern, the long bob with bangs is a great style to explore next. A long bob paired with bangs is a timeless choice that feels both modern and elegant. For women with longer or oval faces, this cut helps create balance by framing the jawline in a flattering way. The length sits just around the shoulders, which keeps it versatile and easy to style. It is not too short and not too long, making it a safe but stylish middle ground. One of the biggest benefits of this style is how it gives fullness to thinner or finer hair. The clean, structured line of the bob instantly makes the hair look denser and healthier. For women noticing changes in hair texture as they age, this cut provides that extra volume and movement without needing heavy products or complicated styling. Pairing the long bob with bangs adds even more character. Curtain bangs create a soft, face-framing effect, while side-swept bangs bring a polished finish. Either choice helps lift the features and gives a more youthful edge. What makes this combination so appealing is that it feels fresh without crossing into a style that looks too trendy or difficult to maintain. Styling is straightforward. A quick blow dry with a round brush can smooth everything into place, or you can wear it slightly tousled for a more relaxed look. It adapts well to both casual days and special occasions, which makes it one of the most versatile cuts for women over 50. No matter which bang style you choose, the secret to keeping them looking their best is proper upkeep. So let's move on to a few simple maintenance tips. Trims every 4 to 6 weeks prevent bangs from getting too heavy or falling into the eyes, which can quickly make the style look unpolished. Keeping them neat also ensures they frame the face in the way they were intended. Product choice makes a big difference too. A lightweight styling cream or mousse is often enough to add shape and a touch of movement without weighing the hair down. This is especially important for women with finer or thinning hair, since heavier products can flatten the style or make it look stiff. Soft texture always looks fresher and more youthful than a heavy, sprayed finish. Blended edges are another key detail. Sharp, blunt lines can sometimes create a harsher look, which is not as forgiving on mature features. When bangs are slightly feathered or textured, they fall more naturally, which softens the overall hairstyle and complements the face. This subtle difference is what helps bangs feel modern and easy to wear instead of severe. So, which bangs caught your eye? Try the style that fits your face shape and lifestyle. You'll be surprised at how much younger and fresher your look becomes. And if you enjoyed this video, you will definitely love this next one.